Hi, and welcome to the MKH NxT Gen portal, building your future on a foundation of success. Today, I'll show you how to create facilities and projects within the MKH NxT Gen application. Let's get started. First, log into the portal using your credentials. Here's the dashboard, your central hub for monitoring key metrics and activities across the application. On the left, you'll find the main menu for easy navigation. To keep your projects organized, MKH NxT Gen lets you manage facilities and their related projects seamlessly. Click on the Facilities menu, just below the dashboard. You'll see a list of existing facilities here. To add a new facility, navigate to the bottom of the menu and click the plus icon. A pop-up appears. Fill in the facility details. For best results, use accurate information to help identify your facility later. Once done, click Create. Great, your new facility is created. If you have many facilities, use the search and filter options at the top right to find what you need quickly. You can also switch between card view and list view for easier navigation. Now, let's create a project within this facility. Click Add Project, fill in the basic details, and hit Create. Your project is now ready. Just like facilities, you can filter, search, and toggle views for your projects. Click on your new project to open its dashboard. This is where you'll manage all project activities. That's it. You've successfully created a facility and a project in MKH NxT Gen application. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more feature walkthroughs.